What is vector art? Hi, if you don't know me, my name's Dusty. I'm an art director and graphic designer, and I love working with vector art. So when we're talking about digital art, there's two different types. There's vector and raster. And all artwork we see on the internet is typically going to be raster, even though we don't realize it. So what is raster art? Well, raster art is just art that's pixel-based. So that means when you zoom in on it, you start seeing pixels or it gets blurry. But vector art is awesome because it allows you to plot points and establish curves so that when you zoom in on your artwork, it doesn't get blurry. It's resolution independent. So if I made something in vector, I could draw it really small and then I could zoom into it and it would just never get blurry or fuzzy or pixelated. Which means I could put it on the side of a building and it would be just as sharp as it is on my desktop. And you're never gonna get that with a raster image. I'll show you an example with this drawing here. The cyan line to the right is raster and to the left is vector. So right now they look exactly the same, but let's zoom in. You can see how the raster is starting to get all pixelated here, but the vector is nice and sharp. And I can just go in forever, essentially. See how it's still sharp over on the vector side and all pixelated on the raster side? And while this is what renders on the computer, this is actually what was drawn. These are just lines that can be manipulated and altered at any point. But you just tell the program what you want each part to look like, and you can end up with a beautiful drawing like this. Now you know what vector art is and the benefits of it. Leave a comment if this was helpful or if you have more questions.